subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Capitec Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 5. AmaZulu 2. I'm joined by the village girl.
Hi.
Okay.
Kishapo na.
Shapo man.
Kishapo.
Hey.
What's our lang today?
What's that?
So 2 years la. Rino ba tlola re ba ikore. What's our why?
Why?
Ke 2 star.
Ke 2 star.
Yeah, rino lo tloela 2 star. Then ra lo correct. 5.
Yes.
Yes. Today I go to tshwara ke bro le krobetse ko lora Mufasa
ke ma
o slow learner ra
Mufasa ke ma bana
o slow learner
ke Mufasa
iyo
konker werk o Mufasa wena
did you see the goal ya Leon
o lo lora konker werk
ke a hafa gane o nyaka re ke be di nightmare le manyane ko lora goal yela beside that ne ntse Sundowns here na ibuilo you know today the game that they were playing 1-2-1-2 goal 1-2-1-2 goal Williams Williams on stress ayo
yeah too much
le machoni sa stress so Williams ha full
Williams o costa phala machonisa
yo machoni sa o dira nyane cause o ntshwaretse card Williams ana ntshwa o ntshwarela yona one stress
pure stress a ke mathata man
e fa papa ka mo
a phamise dikousu Williams man Rasemi a o itshwara o sietse man
Bishop,
a ke mnati dira
why no sarasipil?
Yeah?
Wo san o sarasipil.
Ke reng leader
A ke tsuru nyo go reng. Ege no rasa.
Itele ke tsa eng
Tell ke nete tang in the wrong way. So Stivo, when last did you see 5 goals go Orlando or go FNB?
atsoka ka ibona ke phela
Azango Ibo. So Stivo, bring that useless arrows.
yes
Bring them. Hello, but not today. Rota bana ka bagala boghopo ba batswadi ba bona.
sure
So Sunday, o botse arrows. De khankak. Yeah. Ke wa blast.
balonye
E re ka re ne siaka. E bolela go na Stivo sene. Mara ke re bring golden arrows Stivo. So Sundowns ikhumana ba bavumbi. Re a bona go ria.
thank you leadership
Jabu Stivo.
yeah sure